Let us learn today how to draw perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle. So first let us learn on a plane line how do we get the perpendicular. Here is a line with line L and we will going to draw a segment which is named as segment AB. Now we will take a rounder and we will fix a radius in it such that radius should be approximately more than half of the segment AB, and we'll keep the pointer at B and draw arc on both the side of line L from point B. Same radius without changing, we will shift the pointer of the compass at A and draw the arc on both the sides such that they are intersecting the previous arcs. So we got the 2 points of an intersection by the two arcs on both the side of line L. When we draw a line passing through it, the line is perpendicular on line L and it will be act as a perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Now we will see how we draw in triangle PQR. Since it is right angle, so we have marked it here. Now we will see side PR. Again the same way we are going to fix up a radius in a rounder and such that the radius is more than half of the length of side PR. So from R we will cut the arc on both the side, and from P also we will cut the arcs on both the side of side PR such that they are intersecting each other to the previous one. So we can draw a line passing through them. So the blue line will become perpendicular bisector of side PR. So for perpendicular, we put the right angle sign, and for congruency, we put the same sign. Let us see another side. We are taking now side QR, and from R, same method, we have taken more than half of the length of segment QR as a radius, and from R we have drawn arc on both the sides. Same radius, we have shifted the rounder at Q, and from there we have drawn the arc on both the sides such that they are intersecting the previous two arcs drawn as you see in the diagram, and then we draw a line passing through them. Same way we go for indication, perpendicular sign, and we have marked the congruent part with the identical sign. Now we have third side as PQ. So from P we have drawn the arc, the same method, and from Q we have drawn the arc, and now we are drawing the line. They are intersecting. From the intersecting point the green line is drawn. You can also observe that all the three perpendicular bisectors are meeting at one point, which is on hypotenuse. So we can also say that